Are you sick of recording videos in 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second on your GoPro till you get home and then realise it just won't work on your computer? It will just show the audio. Well, if you keep watching this video, I'm going to show you some pretty cool steps on how to fix that. This should work on all GoPros. I'm using the GoPro 9, but if you've got the issue on earlier versions of the GoPro, this should also work as well.
Okay, so first of all, we'll open up Premiere Pro, and then we want to open the file that we wish to use. So for this example, I want to use this particular file of a Canon. So as you see, as I drag it into the project, it only displays the audio, which obviously is not what we're looking for. So what we need to do is go to Google and type in GoPro Player download. Then that will bring it with a page where you can download the particular file. So if we click here, then we scroll down to where it says here GoPro Player for Windows. Click on that, it'll open up a new window, and then you have two options to download: the Mac version or the PC version. So obviously download the version relevant to the system that you're using. I'm using a PC, so obviously I have that version installed. Right, so once the GoPro Player has opened up on your computer, what you'll need to do is go to the top corner here where it says File, and then click on Batch Exporter. This should then bring up a little menu where you can select. Obviously that one is when I was doing a test run earlier, so we'll just delete that one for now, and then I'm going to show you the steps if we were doing this from scratch. So what we need to do is click on choose a file, and then obviously pick the file that we wish to fix, which in this case is this file here. It will come up as a list. I mean, you can select more than just one, you can select multiple, but I'm just going to show you one for the sake of this tutorial. Then once you've selected it, you want to go to the codec and put it as H.264. Your resolution, feel free to play with that, but I'm just going to stick with what I've got here, the 4K resolution. And then once you're happy with that, all you need to do is hit start. Then we'll start loading through. So I'm going to come back to this in a minute when it's finished. So now that has finished, what that's done is that has overwritten the existing file and made that now playable in Premiere Pro. So let's check that out. Also, I forgot to add, don't forget to change your output directory. So ideally you'd want to put that in the file from where you originally imported the first video or videos. So back to Premiere Pro, and then we're back in the original folder. So as you can see, we've got your original file there that just displayed the audio. Then we've created a second version. You can tell that's the separate one because it's got the little brackets with the 1 in there. So if we go ahead and drag that into the project, it should now also show the video. As we wait for it to load, yep, that looks pretty good from here. So just double click that. And bingo, we've managed to fix that problem.
Thanks for watching. I hope this sorted out your problem. If you're still experiencing some problems, let me know in the comments below, and we'll see if we can figure those out with you. But yeah, if you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like and subscribe down here. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you all soon. Take care, guys.